Hi. Hi. Today we are going to be opening the Glossybox for March 2019, which I think is based around Mother's Day, although I am not too sure. That's really bad. I know. Let's just get into the box, shall we? Excuse the mess in the background, and I'm sorry if I keep looking up here. It's because I'm recording on my phone. So I've already opened the box. I got it out of its delivery package, the big cardboard black box that you get with the name and address on. I couldn't be bothered opening it in the video, so I opened it beforehand, and straight away, without opening the pink box, I see the HelloFresh £40 off or £10 off your first 4 boxes voucher. So I shall be giving this away to somebody in my family, either my mum or somebody else who is interested in getting fresh meals. So win-win situation, can't argue with that. Straight away, that's the first thing we get without even opening the box. So yes, I will be giving this off, but basically it's a subscription box, I think, where you get recipes delivered to your house for a reasonable price, and it's really healthy, so there is that. So I'll be giving that away to somebody. Opening our glossy box for this month, I'm just going to take a quick little thumbnail. Someone's coming upstairs. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back in business. Before I get into anything, there is a link down below where you can purchase your first glossy box where you get a certain percentage off. I'll leave it here so you can see how much you get off. And it also helps a girl out over here as well. So it gives me money off my boxes and you money off your first box as well. Let's open. We have a ribbon, so we'll undo this. We already have a sneak peek for April, which is a sleeping mask. A pomegranate superfood regenerate sleeping mask from Dr. Botanicals. Which edit will you receive? So that'll be in the April's fruity and floral glossy box. So that's for next month. But let's have a look at what we have for this month. So this month is called the Empowerment Edition, which I imagine is for Women's Day. I don't know. But yeah, it just gives you an overview of what's in this month's box. So I'll read that as I go through the items. Excuse me, in the box. Let's break the seal. It's got like this little fancy seal on it. Let me in.
Let me in. Let me in.
Oh, okay. Sis, we have a Neutrogena Ageless Boost, the Smart Smoother Hydrogel Recovery Mask. Nice. I love face masks. Let's read what it says on the information booklet. I'm not very good at reading small writing. So the Neutrogena Ageless Boost Hydrogel Recovery Masks are enriched with adenosine, a well-known anti-aging ingredient to help smooth fine lines for youthful-looking skin. Made with hydrogel cooling technology, it delivers the equivalent of 130 milliliter bottle of concentrated, rejuvenated serum to your skin. So it retails for about £3.50. This whole box is about just over £13, so already we're about a fifth of the way there, just over. I don't know, you do the math. I'm not. So the next thing that we have is Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. I have a setting spray that I love already. I think it's by Rimmel London, but this is the Essence one. I've seen this in Boots and I've wanted to try it, so let's have a look at what it says. The illuminated setting spray not only stops your makeup from smudging, but it boasts fine line reflecting particles that will give you a glowing complexion in seconds. Spray it 30 centimeters from your face for a confidence boosting shimmer that lasts all day. And this retails for £3.30. Yeah, let's have a little spritz. Oh. It doesn't really smell of anything. Oh, that's a really heavy spritz. Oh, I'm scared. It's quite a heavy mist. Wow, my face is drenched. Okay, We'll let that sit in for a minute. Okay, my face is kind of drenched. It smells nice though. I've lost the lid. I've lost the lid, but it is quite a heavy spray, so... But for the price, it's pretty good, and it seems like you get quite a bit in here, which will last you probably a few months. A month or two, maybe. This is the next thing that catches my eye, and it's by Larizzi Cosmetics. It's this little thing. I'm not entirely sure what this is. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is a dew pot. This smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultrafine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhances all skin tones. Apply to your cheekbones, brow bones and cupid's bow for a rosy, lit from within glow. So this retails for £15.30, which is already way over the price for this box. So let's open up and let's see how she looks on the skin, because I'm quite fair, so I'm not sure how a rosy look would suit on me. I imagine it's kind of like a blush highlight rather than like a highlight. I mean, it's really pretty, so let's... I can't tell if you could see that. You probably can't see that because I'm recording on my phone, but she is really pretty. Wow. Right, it's not as dark as I was expecting, so I could probably get away with it. I'd probably use it as a blush slash highlighter at the like middle to top of the cheekbone, so you get a bit of highlighter with like a white or silver highlight on top, just to really make my cheeks pop. But I love this. I'm sorry, Mum. This ain't going nowhere. I'm keeping this one. Like it a ladle. Like it a loot. Okay. Next up, what do we have? Okay. I think we have two more products. So the first one is Plumper Lip Balm. I can't really test this out because I've got lipstick on and I don't really fancy taking it off. I mean, I could. Let's see what it says. Boasting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips. I have really crap dry lips, by the way, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum that plump your pout and enhance its natural shape, and this retails for £9 for this little thing. Is this the full product? It is a full product. Are these all full products? Okay, these are all full-size products. Okay, okay. I feel you. Okay. We don't always get full-size products, but we got full-size products this month. Okay, she feels a bit thick. Is that ever going to come out? And that's a bit strong. It smells quite nice, but I've got a cough, so anything like minty or herby kind of throws me off a little bit. It smells pretty nice. It smells pretty good. I'll be wearing that tonight, and I might do an update in this video here, letting you know how I feel. Like a little thing right there, letting you know. Okay, so last thing in this box is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Rose Petal. Now, I'm not going to try this on, but I am going to insert a picture here so that you can see, because I really don't want to take off my lipstick. I really like it. It's the one that we got I think my first box I got the Huda Beauty lip. Let's see what she says. Feel like a goddess with one of Bella Pierre's full coverage, high impact liquid lipsticks. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly. Ugh, it's too warm in here. Glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the colour payoff lasts for hours without needing a touch off. And this retails for £20, which is double the price of the box minus the delivery costs. Wow, let's open her up and let's see what we think. There's 4 colours that we could have got. We could have got like a red nude and then like a red colour, and I've got the dark one, and there's also like a light nude colour as well. So let's open her up. She's really pretty. My mum doesn't really like dark colours, so I might have to keep this one. I'm not sure how it will look on my skin tone because it is quite dark and purple. I tend to go for more reds and browns. But I'll give it a go and I'll insert a picture so that you can see. And yeah, that is it. I'm gonna kind of just wash my hands. I'll be back in a sec. I'm back. So, yeah, what was I saying? I'm not really sure how I feel about that lip product, whether it will suit my skin tone because I am quite a light skin tone. But for this month's box, I am really, really impressed for all of the things that you get in this month's box. I will be letting you know maybe on my Instagram, so I'll leave that down below, how I feel about these certain products because I don't really fancy doing a full video. So we get quite a few things in this month's box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will put the total price for this box here, which I'm sure is shocking. We got a lot. We got a lot in this box. Well, I mean, one of these is already £20, so that's already way over what we paid for this box. So I am impressed this month. Last month I wasn't really that impressed. It was the Valentine's Day one. I wasn't really that impressed with it, and plus I wasn't feeling great during that time and I just wanted to open it and see what was in the box. But this month, really, really impressed. And if you liked today's video, make sure you leave a like and let me know in the comments which product you are most shocked to see in this box. I think I'm most excited to try the highlighter and the face mask because I love skincare and face masks and highlighters. They are my thing, so I'm super ready to try them and really excited. So that is all for today's video. I will leave the link down to the Glossybox and where you can get your first Glossybox for a certain percentage off. Don't forget to subscribe. I do one of these videos every month apart from last month because I wasn't feeling too great, but we won't talk about it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys! Is there anything else I forgot to say? Nope. Bye guys!